Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable show tray icon on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So as you guys can see, I am on the main page right now. What we can do is go over to File and here select the settings. After selecting the settings, let's close the security and the preferences. We're interested in the app settings for all accounts. So here we can enable or disable to show the tray icon. As you guys can see, here we will have it, and now we can enable it or disable it. It's totally up to us. Let me bring it right here. As you guys can see, here we have our Bitwarden. Now we can close it and it will go back after enabling it. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.